People dedicate time to their side gigs and they are able to generate a lot of money online. And this is something that you can do. So, if you're considering starting a side hustle along with figuring out how much time you'll spend on it, you also need to find out when in a day you would squeeze it in. And where some side gigs like food delivery, moving, might be tied to a specific time in a day, there are those that you can do whenever you have a spare minute, even if it's at 2 a.m. in your pajamas. In this video, I am going to give you 4 side hustles that you can do any time of the day and where you get the jobs. Let's move on to the first one. It's marketing. Marketing is a side hustle that can be done 24/7 as long as you and your client agree the scope and the deadline. This can range from social media marketing, email marketing, lead generation, and so on. So you can choose the type of marketing that you'd like to focus on and offer the services. And now you can consider creating profiles of yourself in sites such as Fiverr, Upwork, etc. You can also look for contract marketing gigs on sites such as freelancer.com, Market Hire, LinkedIn, and Monster. Keep in mind, some sites may look for a certain amount of experience, but sites like Market Hire, for example, you don't need a degree for you to get started, but somehow you need to showcase how you were able to increase traffic or engagement in your previous projects. Marketing experts in Upwork charge as much as $250 per hour. Let's move on to the next one. Translation. If you're fluent in another language, you can consider picking up translation gigs, translating courses, articles, videos, or whatever the client needs. And using a site like SmartCut, which essentially allows you to manage your business on your own. They just help you connect with the clients, and the site provides you with a software that will do the translation for you, after which you can just go through the output to confirm accuracy and to see whether it is making any sense. You can also find gigs on job search sites like Indeed or create profiles on sites like ServiceScape. Translators on ServiceScape charge between $20 to $25 per page, but the site takes about 50% of the fee. Let's move on to the next one, illustration. Businesses use illustrators, animators for projects like web design, marketing material, and books. Artists use tools like graphic design softwares or physical canvas and paint. And there is a surprisingly big market for these kind of gigs. When it comes to finding the opportunities, a site such as Fiverr is probably the best for illustrators and animators. And here you set your own rate. You could also make a profile on Upwork or try for open gigs on sites such as Behance. Illustrators on Fiverr, they charge up to $650 per project. Let's move on to the next one, online content creation. If you are considering playing the long game with your side hustle and willing to wait to start earning real money, spending a couple of hours in a day recording maybe a podcast or creating a new website article can be a start to a substantial side hustle. It starts with coming up with a list of ideas, potential topics that you can discuss on all the questions that you have the answers to. And we have a tool like Answer the Public that lets you just punch in the starter keywords and it's gonna generate for you. You'll see all the questions that the people are asking about. From there, all you need is to figure out which platform you want to use to develop and look into the best practices. Then it's just a matter of getting started building out the library of content. And to be more specific, when it comes to content creation, the best starting point could be something like YouTube or article writing. With article writing is something that you can do using your own website or a third-party website. Using your own website, you have a blog or where you can publish the articles and then you can earn from Google AdSense, basically by monetizing your website. There you have it. You can pick the one that most suits you, or you can just try all of them. Now, don't forget to like this video so that it can reach as many people as possible, and you can give it a thumbs up, and you can consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.